Unlocking English. The power of surefire. Hello, English explorers. Welcome back to our channel, the place where language learning is always an adventure. Today, we're going to unravel the mystery behind a fascinating English phrase, surefire. What does it mean? Where did it come from? And how can you use it to sound like a native speaker? Let's light up your language skills and find out. You might have heard someone say, "That's a surefire way to succeed," and wondered what fire has to do with certainty. Well, surefire is an adjective that describes something undoubtedly effective or certain to achieve the desired result. It's like saying something is a guaranteed success. The term surefire is believed to have originated from gun terminology. Think about the old flintlock guns where the ignition of the gunpowder had to be reliable for the weapon to fire. So, a surefire was a gun that ignited reliably every time. From this literal sense, the phrase evolved into the metaphorical usage we know today, indicating something reliable or guaranteed in other contexts. Let's look at how surefire can be used in everyday language. Pay attention to how it describes certainty and effectiveness. 1. Memorizing new vocabulary daily is a surefire way to improve your English. 2. If you want a surefire plan to save money, start cooking at home instead of eating out. 3. The CEO's surefire strategy increased the company's profits within a year. Enhance your vocabulary by learning some synonyms. Instead of always using surefire, you could say guaranteed, infallible, foolproof, certain. Each word has its nuances, but they all circle back to the idea of something being unfailingly effective. And that's the end of our English language journey today. Surefire is more than just an adjective, it's a badge of reliability and effectiveness. Use it to express confidence in your ideas and plans. We hope this video has been a surefire way to boost your understanding of this expressive English phrase. Keep practicing, and until next time, may your learning be as surefire as the phrases we share. Happy learning!